Dividing, adding and subtracting logs. Number log 0.7202 plus bar 2.6232. How do we add it? 2 plus 2 is 4. 0 plus 3 is 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. 7 plus 6 is 13. We carry 1. 1 plus negative 2. 1 plus negative 2 is equal to 1 minus 2, which is equal to negative 1, which is equal to bar 1. So this is bar 1.3434. How can we divide bar 1.3434 by 2? So we can write this as a negative 1 plus 0.3434 divided by 2. We want to find an exact number. We can divide by 2 here. So we can say that this is a negative 1. We can subtract a number that when after subtracting we can divide it by 2 to get an exact number. We can say that this is negative 1 minus 1. Negative 1 minus 1 is going to give us negative 2, and when we divide negative 2 with 2 we are going to get negative 1. So this is negative 1 minus 1 plus, when we subtract this number negative 1 from this side, we must add it this other side, so that we can say that negative 1 plus 1 is going to give us 0, which means that we have done nothing and still we remain with negative 1 here. So you say this is negative 1 minus negative 1 plus 1 plus 0.3434 divided by 2. So you can say that negative 1 minus negative 1, this is negative 2, we divide by 2 plus 1 plus 0.3434, that is 1.3434, we divide by 2. So this is giving us negative 1 divided by negative 2 divided by 2, that is giving us negative 1. Negative 1 plus 1.3434 divided by 2, we end up having 0.6717. 0.6717. So here this is giving us a negative 1 is bar 1. Bar 1.6717. Bar 1 negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2. We divide by 2 plus 1 plus 0.3434 is 1.3434. We divide by 2. So negative 2 divided by 2, we get negative 1 plus 1.3434 divided by 2, we get 0.6717, which is equal to bar negative 1 is bar 1, which is equal to bar 1.6717, bar 1.6717. Now let us subtract 1.5357 minus bar 1.6717. How do we subtract it? 7 minus 7 is 0, 5 minus 1 is 4, 13 minus 7 is 6. We remain with 4 here. 14 minus 6 is 8. We borrow 1 here, it becomes 14 here. 14 minus 6 is 8. Then we remain here with 0. So now 0 minus 1. Here 0 minus 1 is equal to 0 plus 1, which is equal to 1. Which is equal to 1. So here this is 1. Then now we can go to the antilog table. We can say that this is a 10. This is 10 power 1 times the antilog 10 power 1 times the antilog of 0.8640. The antilog of 0.8640 is a 7.311. So when we multiply 10 power 1 times 7.311, we end up with a 73.11. 73.11.